I've just run the cart. It's hanging out over here. And this is the data that I've got. Give it a second to zoom. Okay, focus. So if you see this right here, I'm going to click and highlight this part right here. See how smooth that is? That's exactly what I want. I want to get just that, just the best part of it. I had a little bit too much down below. All right, I've got that, just that part, and that's the part, smooth curve, that's going to be my acceleration. Remember, a curved position graph is our acceleration. All right, but I don't want to deal with that. I would rather it just be linear. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the side where it says position, and then I'm going to choose velocity. Let's try that again. Oh, I did. I got velocity. Choose your velocity. So over that same piece of space, I'm now going to analyze it so I can get the slope of that bit of a velocity graph. So click Analyze at the top, then click Curve Fit. Click Velocity, and you come in here, you're going to choose Fit. It should be linear. All right, the slope of a velocity graph. And right there, there's my slope. And that should be somewhat close to my acceleration. So that takes care of the acceleration. Let's go look at the force. So before we do the force on the handheld, let's think about what the force should be. If it's being pulled down with a constant acceleration, it should be at a constant force. So in an ideal world, it would look like a flat line. And if there's a flat line, remember there's no real slope to that. It's a zero slope, and what you're looking for is just that y-intercept right there. Okay, back to the handheld. So I'm back here at the handheld. This was my linear equation for the acceleration. I'm going to click on OK, and it's going to take me back to the original. Now notice I still have, when I highlighted the bottom part, it highlighted the top part too, so it's the exact same bit is taken care of. So I'm going to go ahead and I am going to, now I'm going to do the analyze again. Sorry, it's kind of weird to do it through the phone. Analyze again, same thing, curve fit. This time I'm going to choose force. All right, now again choose fit. What should it be? What should it look like? It should pretty much be a linear one, but again, a slightly different one. So come on in here. Notice that my m is very close to 0 because there really shouldn't be a slope there. It's that y-intercept that should match or be very close to my force because it's a constant force, so there's no change, so there should be no m. So just this will be our force.